Yo, 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 how's it going, guys? Welcome. Sorry for the slight delay, but we're here. Let me share my screen really quickly. There we go. Push this back a little bit. Yeah, guys, welcome. Let me check the chat really quickly. Yes, I'm in this long, mate. I'm in this long. I've actually just closed out at these highs here. 24 ticks.
Order filled.
Oh, I just got out the rest. Let's see. On the other account, I had it across multiple accounts, you see, so I've just got out the rest of it now. Yeah, 30-minute flip was valid. Right, let me just share this again. Welcome, guys, welcome. Let me just share this link. Right, then we'll get started. Hope everyone's good. Yeah, 30 flips was clean. If you took the 30 flip, it's clean. It's valid, for sure. There's nothing wrong with that. It had a nice bottom wick before the push higher. You've got clear liquidity above too. You'd expect for some of that to get taken. Whether that's in the London session or not. I'm still holding a little position on one of my accounts. I want to try and get that up a little bit more before I take a payout. But we'll see. I'm not risking much now. But yeah, that was a valid trade. I think this 30 could have a nice push, to be fair. If it wants to push, that is. This is the chance for it. If it's gonna push, it'll be now. Like that. Nice push there. If you're in this, I'd be going break even, guys. If you're in this, any community members here, make sure you're going break even in this now. I'm personally just going to go break even and let this run. I'm break even on this. I'm just going to let this run. I think this can have a nice push. My overall TP on this is like $400 on my other account. So if we can get these longs now. Did you catch sells yesterday, mate? No, I didn't. Here we go, Goldie. Having a nice push now. There you go, lads. Beautiful, beautiful trade there. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, we've just caught these longs. I've caught 2 sets of longs, actually. I caught longs here, and I've just taken longs here too on the other account. So, yeah, beautiful entries there. I'm going to break them down for community members because they're very valid trades. You need to be managing your position if you're in any of these, though. I'm personally at break even. I'm up about 15 ticks. So wherever break even is, we'll see. Just trying to let this run a little bit. I think it's got a lot of room to push higher. But yeah, I'm in these 2 trades, guys. But yeah, welcome to the stream, everybody. I'm almost taken out here. Almost taken out. I'm only running about 13 ticks up. We'll see. I'll let you know when I get out. You probably hear it. But yeah, we caught these longs. I've already taken like 21 ticks. I'm out there. Took me out. Yeah, it just got me out then. On that little push down. All good though. All good, guys. Still decent profit. What did it push in the end? 40 ticks. Nice. I didn't enter that first one because not enough stop loss. Yeah, for me it was perfect. Like 6 ticks or something. Yeah, but you need to look. You need to realize anybody who's understanding like there's so many levels. Yeah, there is so many levels. But look how the 30 closed. The 30 closed above like 2 or 3 levels with bullish volume. I'm going to watch this 5 to see if there's any entries potentially, but that's probably the entry for the day. I feel like we're going to push into these highs as well. But we're ready for a payout on 2 accounts now, which is good. Nice buys, good stuff, me too. Yeah, I've got payouts pending on 2 accounts now, so I'll probably take them. I'll probably take them tonight. About 2.2k across 2 accounts. Not a bad last 5 trading days, to be honest. Last 5 trading days, we've made $700 there. Yeah, 2.2k, which is good for the last 5 trading days. Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning. I took this position all based off the liquidity and closure of this level with the liquidity. Look at the clear liquidity here. Look, you need to understand, if you take liquidity and close above a level with clear liquidity like this, that's why I took the trade. I don't care that we've got a level here. I'll just manage there. And that's exactly what I did, and that's why I took the trade. Into them highs, I took my profits and then entered the 30 flip on the other account. But yeah, you've got like 25 ticks there. That got me over 2.2k for the week. Finish for the day. As of to London. Yeah, Nancy, good stuff. Enjoy the rest of your week. It's good. I think this is going to push higher, but I'm not going to be looking for buys just yet now. If you're in the 30 flip, make sure you break even. This is valid too. 30 flips valid too. Look, liquidity grab, closure. The 30 entry would have been the flip here, and it was a beautiful flip. It would have hit you at break even though. Me personally, got me at break even. What I'm going to be waiting for now is to see if we can close, how strong we're going to close on this 30 minute, 15 minute. If the 15 closes strong, I'll just take the next 15 entry. If it doesn't, we'll wait. But yeah, that would have been really nicely, to be fair. It's one of them. If it takes you out, it takes you out. You can't chase your losses. You can't chase your break evens. Do you put money in an ISA? No, I don't put any. I leave as little. I'm not going to tell you exactly what I do with my money, but I leave as little in my bank as possible. I try and keep in control of as much of my money as possible. Right, if you quick lesson. If you close strong above a major level like this, 29.13, and you've got clear liquidity here, just take the entry, because you're more likely to push into the liquidity. Price is magnetized to liquidity more than levels. If you've got liquidity 25 ticks away, but you've got a level that's 20 ticks away, you're likely to push into the liquidity more over than the level. And look what we've done. We've pushed into the liquidity and reversed. And that's why I took profit where I did. Guys, if you're in on the 30 flip, you need to be managing. You know, you push 25 ticks there, you need to be managing. Oh, Tucker, welcome, mate. Welcome. I understand your name now from the TikTok. Yeah, welcome, bro. Welcome to the first YouTube live. But this 15 entry was perfect. It actually ran. Look at that. In less than 20 minutes, you've got an 8-to-1, an 8-to-1 trade there. But yeah, that was a nice entry there, guys. Good stuff. I love seeing community members taking the same trade as well. But as soon as you're coming into these liquidity highs, you need to be taking partials, going break even. But what a little push we had. But yeah, we're ready for a payout now, which is good. Liquidity and imbalances, no. I don't trade imbalances. I don't trade any ICT concepts. I trade levels and liquidity. I wait for breakouts and I trade into and away from liquidity. And that's like my, guys, that's like my 7th trade this week, 6th or 7th trade this week. You don't need many positions. You just need to stay consistent. You don't need many trades in the week. Like, if I show you my week, it's insane. It's like a break even, win, win, break even, win. And we've got a 2.2k payout pending after a full week. So glad got partials on the 30 entry break. Yeah, Ali, that's exactly what you need to be doing, mate. If you took the 30 entry and you're not going break even after a 25 tick push, ask yourself why. You definitely need to be going break even. Let me just update the community really quickly. Nice. But yeah, welcome everybody. The ICT yeah, took it's like a proper cult, and if you don't trade ICT, you're trading incorrectly. And I'm proof that you don't need to be trading ICT and you can keep it simple. Like, sure, right? Yeah, you might have one or two who go on live and trade. Yeah, you might have one or two who live trade. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, you will have a few who are successful, but not many. Half of the ICT traders don't trade live, can't prove that they take live positions. No, they just show trades that have already passed. Yeah, and don't get me wrong, you have a couple who might be successful with it, but 99% of them are sold the dream that you're going to get these 15 R trades every 10 minutes. Because you need to be trading the silver bullet method or you're not trading correctly. It's like... Yesterday was a big day, so many entries. Yeah, there was a few entries. Yesterday was quite choppy though, Ali. A little bit of chop like there. Look, that chop there, I didn't really want to do anything. You know, look at that from 5 o'clock all the way to market close. But yeah, there was some nice pushes yesterday. Just being on the live, I've learned a lot, especially how you risk on your trades before I would have waited. Yeah, good stuff. Ali, good stuff. If you can take some value just away from lives, like I say, I don't teach everything. Whatever you see on live, it's not everything that I show in the community, but in terms of what I'm taking, you'll be able to see, and you definitely will be able to pick value up from what we go over. And like I say, the community is like 24/7. Obviously, I sleep in that, but it's continuous help. But the YouTube live's like an hour of what we do in the community. I swear, whenever ICT does a live video, he eats the curb. Yeah, ICT doesn't win as much as you think, guys. The concepts they hardly work out. Like, what about this order block you've got here? Tell you what, I've literally just targeted their stop loss. ICTs, I've profited from their stop loss. There you go. That's what we do. We find out where ICT stop loss is. I'm joking. So yeah, so I took profit from their stop. Yeah. Guys, what I'm looking for now is I'm waiting for this 30 candle to close in 12 minutes. If this 30 candle closes bullish, because we're closing above multiple levels like 29.15, I'm going to be looking to long gold on the next 30-minute candle into these highs, okay? Would you ever take an impulse entry on an NFP candle? No, I don't trade. Guys, on NFP days, I only trade London. I won't be trading past 11 o'clock. After 11 o'clock, it's my weekend. I'll obviously be in the chat. I'll be in the community asking questions and stuff if anybody's got any questions, but I'm not trading after 11. But yeah, guys, if anybody's wondering, the entry that I just took was that flip there. It was a one contract. I took about $220. Same entry on the hourly flip. Nice. I didn't take the hourly. I took the 15 before it. I was in and out before the hourly actually closed. Yeah, I got out just above here at like 25 ticks. Yeah, bro. Oh, yeah, man. At the end of the month, definitely entering on the community once I get my salary. Nice, Ali. Good to see. See you in the community, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm pretty good at watching and learning, and it helps that our strategies aren't too dissimilar. Yeah, nice, Tyler. Good stuff, bro. Welcome to the live streams. Yes, guys, let's drop a like on the video too. Let's drop a like on here. Let's smash 15 likes. Yo, Saf, how's it going, mate? How you doing? I'm good. Got a bit of a cold, but we're good. We're gonna move. Yeah, I'm a little, feel like I'm getting coming down with flu or something. All good though. We've just taken a 25 tick win. Can't complain. I mean, took the, oh yeah, I understand that. Yeah, you took this flip here. Nice. Yeah, that was a decent. For me, the only reason I didn't want to take that is because of this level here. But it is valid, depending on your rules. Yeah, you like I say, you've got your liquidity grab there at 6 o'clock. You've got that nice flip higher there. That's a nice trade. I'm waiting for this 30 to close. If this 30 closes bullish, I'm going to be longing into this double top. Let me tell you, if this closes bullish, you're very likely to sweep these highs on the next candle. And I'm going to be executing that. One sec, guys. I need to update the community really quickly. Sorry if the screen keeps moving a little bit. Just bear with me. I'm just flicking through screens. Yeah, don't even, guys, just after 11 or 12 o'clock, just turn the screen off and enjoy your weekend. All right? If you want to talk in the community, of course, that's what the community is there for. But just chill out. In the nicest way possible. Just chill out. Enjoy your weekend. Go and have a beer or something. If that's what you do. If not, do whatever makes you happy. But go and chill. Go for a walk in this beautiful English weather. But I'm watching this next 30, guys. The entry you took was that on the 15-minute time frame, yes. No, it doesn't have to be 10 minimum, no. Because what happened on this 15-minute closure, after this 15 closed, if you look at, say, the 1 minute time frame, look what happened. Look at the time here. So, 1 second. Look what happened here. On the quarter past candle. Look, 1 sec. Let me show you. There. Look at the wick. The actual wick was from here, so it was like a 8 tick. It was like an 8 tick bottom wick. So my stop loss was 8 ticks. So effectively the buy was here. Stop loss was just a little bit below. This is on the 1 minute, guys. So it's like 8 ticks, and 8 ticks is fine. And then you get that push higher. It created a top wick first, so I had it on the reflip back of the high. If that makes sense. Some bug going around. Yeah, there must be because I've woke up this morning feeling a bit dodgy. Is anybody else sick or something? Or is it just me? Or has anyone been sick? It's ever since I come back from Vietnam, actually. I haven't felt 100%. Saying that, my friend was sick the other week, actually. I mean, the idea as it gets that resistance might bounce off it and pull back before continuing up. I'll tell you what, with gold, something that you'll notice is that, look, you've got this level here, we're above it. You won't come back down. You're more likely to come in, it's more likely to be drawn to the liquidity than this level again. If it comes back into this level, perfect. I've got more range into these highs. But if it doesn't, then I'm just going to be taking that range into them highs there. Nice trade. Yeah, nice one, Saf. Appreciate it, bro. I've had a very good week. I'm not trying to ruin it. Yeah, no need, mate. It's NFP, first week of the month. Like, I don't know exactly the gains this week for me. Let's have a look. This week, we've made 600 on that account. So in the last three, I've only traded 3 trading days this week, and we've made like 1.3k. 1.3k. I haven't even traded for the full week. Monday I didn't trade because I was busy with other things. Wi-Fi connection. Upgrade. I was trying to upgrade my Wi-Fi for like half day Monday and the full day Tuesday. I woke up with a cough feeling like I'm walking in chapter 6. Yeah, that's why I've got a big water. My throat isn't too good too. Good to see everyone here though. NFP, I did not expect. Most people just write off Fridays NFP. I do, normally, but when you've got liquidity sitting up here like so, I'm not missing out on this. Are you funded? Yes, I am, mate. Currently 250k. But I'll get more next week. I'll pass, well, hopefully I'll pass another 100k next week. I was like, what were I funded? Before my payouts, I took, about 2 weeks ago, I took 2 payouts. I only took like 1.9k or something. But I was funded like 400k then. When you take payouts, your buffer goes down, so don't expect too much. Especially, when I take a payout, I just increase my risk by double to try and get a huge balance, so then I can trade with it. So, but that's not the goal for me. The goal for me is to take challenges and get paid out on every account, and that's what I've done for the past like 8 to 10 accounts that I've had. I took a payout on every single one. Well, yeah, every single one. I say that I haven't took the reason I say well is because I haven't taken a payout on these last 2, but I'm going to take a payout today. That's the thing, I risk a lot on the challenges. I pass them quickly. De-risk until I get my payout. 1 contract until I get 1 to 2 contracts until I get my payout. Once I get my payout, I 3 contract it. Try and get like a nice little trade. Like, imagine just imagine if I took a payout yesterday, I had my account today and I took this trade on 3 contracts. That's like 1.3k. So that's why I do it. I know I've only got 1 trade until I blow the account, but I know that I'll pass another 3 to 4 accounts in the same week and get back onto funded. It's a business. Funded accounts are a business for me. They're not trying to keep them. Like, when you like people in the community, don't just think you have to be what I'm doing now. No, you need to learn the concepts. You need to get consistency. You need to try and pass your first funded. Don't try and rush into funded and pass 10 or 5 to 10 like me. No, I say don't think you need to do that. You don't. Try and pass one. Maybe try and get a little payout on one. Understand that you can get payouts from this. See that consistency. Journal. Sure, your strike rate is quite high to your wins, to your losses. Your losses are smaller. Understand that you need to do everything and then start trying to scale it. I'm at that stage now where I'm scaling it. Don't think that you need to be doing what I'm doing. No, I've been trading 7 years. Like, come on. At the end of the day, if I'm focusing on one 50k account, I'm not making good money compared to like if I can trade 5, which I know I can. How many are here today? How many have we got in? 17, nice. I really didn't expect a big turnout today. With it being NFP Friday. Fridays are never the busiest on stream, especially a London session. People are in weekend mode. And it's NFP. People just shut off on NFP days. Yeah, it's a good business model. Do you ever set up? Yeah, I have copy traders. And yeah, guys, if you have, like Tyler said, if you have a profitable strategy like this one that I'm teaching you, right? I'm watching for an entry here, guys. I'm watching for an entry here. Sorry, let me just cut off and then I'll talk about it in a second. Yeah, if we bottom wick a little bit more, 7 ticks or something, I'm gonna take a buy on this candle. Right now it's not big enough. 4 ticks. A little bit more, I'll take it. I'll let you know when I put this in, guys. I'll let you know when I put this in. Because if we have a buy stop on these highs and it does flip, you've got like 25 ticks into them targets, which is decent. What's the 4 hour saying? Yeah, 4 hour is decent too. 15 has just taken this liquidity, but it should push into this liquidity where we can go break even. And it's had a decent, how many ticks is that? It's only an 8 tick stop loss. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna put this buy stop in. I'm only gonna be risking half risk though. I'm only risking 5 micros. I'm putting this buy stop in here. If it doesn't flip and take me in, and I'm gonna put it 1 tick above. Let me just put it in now. 1 sec, guys. Right, there we go. Right, I've just put that buy stop in now. Once we re-break this high, if it takes me out for 8 ticks, it's only at half risk. So I'm only risking like 4 ticks on this. So my actual risk is $40. And it's pushing on futures a lot more than it is on FX. But yeah, we break even when we come into these highs here. But I think this should push. I really think this should push. If this starts rejecting here, then I'll have a look for another entry. But like I say, we've already taken decent profit out of the market. I'm expecting this to push into these highs at least. But we'll see. I'm keeping a tight stop loss. I'm risking about $40, which is about 4 ticks, because we've already made like 25. If I take -4, it is what it is, but it's valid. It's a valid entry. Look, liquidity grab, 3 candles. I'd expect to see a little push here. We're at break even on futures. Yes, break even on futures. I'll let you know when I get out on the futures. It's only at -1 tick on futures, which is actually a good fill. I'll tell you, so break even on futures is here. So we're actually not that much in drawdown. Yeah, I'm still in this on futures, guys. Yo, Chris, how's it going, bro? Good morning. Yeah, guys, I've got 5 macros on this trade here. About $40 risk. I'm still in this. Negative 5 ticks on futures, which is like here, my entry. Negative $25, around negative $25. I'd expect this to push higher. If it's not going to be now, we'll just get another entry after. Right, I'm out there, negative $40. But yeah, it's a good business model for sure. If you can, like I say, if you've got a strike rate of around 60 to 70% and you're using tight stop losses, you should be absolutely fine. But yeah, I took like negative 4 ticks there. Negative 4 ticks. Oh, good. I think if this reflips bullish now, you're gonna have a push higher. It ran into a decent little bit of profit, but I didn't reduce risk. It actually ran into like 6 to 7 ticks on futures. Yeah, I'm out of this now, guys. It did just take me out on futures. It's all good. I'm waiting for another entry now. I do think if this reflips bullish, this 30 is going to continue and it's going to smash these highs. So you've got like a 25 tick push there. But let's see how it reacts. Anybody else take that 30 entry? It was valid. It was definitely valid. Look at the clear liquidity you've got here. It was definitely valid. These entries down here are way better. These 2 entries down here are way better, which we took. But it's still a valid entry, so I took it. This entry that I took today was way cleaner because it's a lot further away from the liquidity. Nice one, still in it. If you're still in it, nice. Just make sure you reduce your risk. Like, my risk management is as follows. If I take a trade and it's a win, like I took this trade here, I'll reduce my risk to half risk on my next trade, no matter what. So I reduce risk, and instead of losing 8 ticks, I lost 4 ticks. So I'm still up 20 ticks for the day. Over $200. I do think this is going to flip higher. If you're still in this, nice work. Who's in this still, guys? Yeah, I did expect that to push, to be fair. It's gonna push me outwards, to be honest. I just know. If you're still in, just make sure you reduce your risk to these lows, maybe. Oh, nice. Nice work, mate. If you got that, beautiful entry. Very clean. You got in at 745. 745. Yeah, same entry as me. That's the entry that I got before. I do expect these highs to get taken. You know, you've got like, how many ticks? You've got like 25 ticks into them highs. But it's not only them highs you've got too. You've got 30-minute double top. So I'm not going to get another entry here personally. I've taken 2 trades today. If you're in this long here and you're still holding, just make sure you just have your risk down here, or you can even just take half off now at break even. Just take half off now at break even and let the rest run. That's a decent little trade there. But like I say, it could get a little bit choppy above here. Just look to the left. There's a lot of areas where price could chop. You think it'll keep pushing now, not being greedy? Good stuff, mate. Yeah, no need to get greedy. Still holding, nice. No, I don't trade NFPs, man. No need. Trade before. Yeah, but I thought I'd just jump on here for an hour just to see. I've already taken. I'm not in this one, by the way. I just took -4 ticks there, but I took this morning, which is actually pushing still. Look at that. It pushed like 50. It's pushed like 60 ticks. I think it'll come into these highs. It's just a matter of time. And that was the idea on this 30 entry. I thought, you know, the momentum's there. You're likely to just continue higher, but it just isn't taking these highs, unfortunately. Yeah, I expect this 30 to push, to be honest. If not the 30, the next hourly. Maybe bottom wick and then continue higher. Anybody in long? Just make sure you just reduce your risk to half. When you're this close to liquidity, just reduce your risk to half. I told you that I'm going half risk here. It would have been a full risk trade, to be honest, if I didn't already take a win, but it is what it is. Yeah, but I expect this to push at some point. Whether it's now, whether it's in another hour, I don't know. I expect these highs to get taken. You know, look at every time what price has done at this sort of level. It's come into this level here. So you're probably going to push into that level again. Look at that 4 hour too. Wow. We could get some 5-minute confirmation too. We'll see. I'm not really rushing into anything now. We're up for the day. London session's already been decent for us. Let me check the chat. Nice one, guys. Good to see everyone tuning in. Like I say, if you got any questions, let me know. Yeah, if you're in longs from the flip here, which we executed before, when price comes into either of these areas, look to manage. It's getting a little. It could chop a little. This could be the chop that you see now before the news. Yeah, you're gonna see that. You're gonna see that little pop now. It should, like I said, because the liquidity is so close here, you're probably gonna see it pop. Yeah, you're probably just gonna see it pop up like quickly. If that makes sense. Cheers for the lights, guys. Nice one. So if NFP hits, I don't trade it personally after it hits. No, I just leave it. It normally ruins the market anyway. Yeah, NFP tends to just ruin the market. If I was in a trade and I was holding a nice runner with NFP, then yeah, but other than that, no. If anybody's still holding that 30, it's actually playing out now. 30 minutes playing out. 30 entry was about, it was actually lower. So if you did get the 30 entry, you're actually in profit now. Which, it is what it is. I have my stop loss and I keep it set, but if you're in the 30 entry that we took, you're in profit. I'd be managing at these highs here. Break even. Still holding, nice. Nice, mate. Should hit that liquidity. Should take this liquidity. It should. NFP is at 130. I'm in on the 30, nice. I took the 15. Yeah, if you're in, I'd expect this to get a quick sweep. At least this little high. If not, I'd be very surprised. Yeah, 15 should flip too. Should flip at least into this high where you can go break even. What I'll do for people still in this trade, I'll manage it with you. I'll have this chart open and I'll manage it with you. There you go. There you go, Goldie. You'd be break even now. 100%. You 100% break even now. Letting this little bugger run. It's annoying that we didn't catch it, but if you're still in, nice work. I'm personally not. Does that 15 just push straight up? Boom, $300. Nice, Naz. Yeah, make sure you go and break even if you're in this. I'd expect these highs to get taken next. Look at that. I knew we were going to pop like that. I knew that liquidity was just going to pop. Get in, lol. Done for the day. Nice. If you're done for the day, good stuff. Be break even for sure. If you took the 15 flip, just manage your risk, guys. Manage your risk. Or you can just let it run into all-time highs. Just let it run into all-time highs. Look at that. 360 ticks. Nah, I'd personally just be done. If you're in this, I'd personally just be done. At these highs here. 30 ticks. Yeah, there's still a double top to take. Yeah, I think it could push still. Yeah, don't get me wrong, I think it could push still. See how it closes. But that's gonna be me done for the day, guys. I'm gonna head off and go and stay active in the community. I'm gonna do a members Zoom call as well soon. So any community members who's up for the Zoom, I'll send the link out in like 30 minutes and we'll jump on a members Zoom call. But it's good to see a decent turnout for the London session on an NFP Friday. Didn't expect that, guys. So yeah, good stuff. Good to see everybody here as well. But yeah, I'm gonna head off, guys. Nice work, guys. If you took that, good stuff. What I'll do is we'll wait until this liquidity gets taken and then we'll jump off, because that's where I'd be taking my full TP. If you're in this 30, it'd been, guys, I would have loved to have taken this W with you, but I'm not going to say that I'm still in the trade when I'm not. If I get taken out, I'll tell you that I'm out of the position. And I just got taken out of this. But it is what it is. I'm already up for the day. Yeah, end of the week was great, guys. This liquidity is going to get taken now, no matter what. At some point, it's a beautiful double top. And we're up almost 2k on the accounts, which is good. On both, 4k across 2 accounts. But yeah, you should see this liquidity taken at least. I took partials and break even, good stuff. Yeah, guys, I'm going to head off. Everyone looks like they're leaving from it. But anyway, yeah, Ali, in a bit, mate. Good stuff. If you took it, if you're in, just make sure you're reducing your risk. And I'll catch you in the next one. See you Monday, everyone. See you Monday. Hope everyone smashes it, has a good weekend. And community members, I'll see you in the chats now, okay? In a bit.